In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the activity log in Monday.com. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the log for any item, filter it to the details that matter, and use it to track changes, audit automations, and troubleshoot issues quickly. Start from your Monday.com home. In the left sidebar, open Workspaces and choose the workspace that contains the board you want to review. If you don't already have a board yet, click the plus sign, select board to create one, and then continue. If you already have a board ready, open it so you can focus on the specific item you want to inspect. A quick tip here. Choosing the correct workspace and clearly named boards makes it much easier to find what you need later. Inside the board, click the item you want to review. An item is a single row on your board that represents a task, a project entry, or a record. Clicking it opens the item's details panel or the full item page, depending on your layout and personal preferences. Either view will give you access to the same history you need. In the item view, look for the Activity Log tab and click it. This tab is the complete history for that item. You'll see a chronological list of every change, including who made it, when it happened, which field was updated, and the before and after values. If an automation updated a status or moved the item, that entry is clearly labeled so you can distinguish human actions from automated ones at a glance. Keep in mind that visibility may depend on your access level, and timestamps follow your account's time zone settings. To focus on what matters, click Filter Log. This narrows the entries to specific types of changes or specific contributors. The person filter is especially useful to show only updates made by a particular teammate when you're verifying who changed a status, edited a date, or reassigned ownership. You can combine multiple filters to refine the view further, and you can clear them at any time to return to the full history. If your view looks empty, it's often because a filter is still applied, so clearing filters is a quick way to reset. If you see an option labeled AI powered within the log, click it to get smarter insights. It can surface patterns, summarize long histories, and highlight the most impactful updates so you don't have to scan line by line, which is great for busy items with lots of activity. Use the activity log to track changes with confidence, audit automations by confirming when they fired and what they changed, and troubleshoot issues like unexpected status flips, overwritten fields, or recurring automation loops. When something looks off, the log gives you the evidence trail to pinpoint the source and take action, whether that means adjusting a permission, tweaking an automation, or reverting a value. That's all there is to it. Go to your workspace, open the board and item, switch to the activity log, then filter by person or use AI-powered insights to get clarity fast. With this workflow, you'll always know who did what, when, and how to fix it.